16 June 2022 saw the rollout of Phase 1 of the Putrajaya MRT line. A total of 12 stations make up Phase 1. Kuala Damansara is an interchange station with the Kajang MRT line. Sungai Buloh and the Sri Damansara Timur station are connecting stations with the KTM commuter and ETS services, while the last station, Kampung Batu, is a connecting station with a KTM Batu Caves Sungai Gadut commuter line. The stations have all the necessary facilities for passenger comfort and safety. It will take you approximately 24 minutes end to end with the train every 4 minutes peak times and 7 minutes off-peak to travel the 17.5 kilometers.
These brand new trains were made by Hyundai Rotem. They take 1,200 passengers in one trip. Let's go!
20 sets of these trains will service Phase 1. Manufactured in South Korea and assembled in Rasa, Selangor with livery designed by a French company. These automated and driverless trains have a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The interior looks almost similar to the Kajang Line trains and have all the safety features and passenger information facilities expected for a modern transit train. Let's go behind the scenes at the Sungai Buloh Depot.
This is the central control center for both MRT lines, the Kajang line and also the upcoming Putrajaya line. So right below there, that's the control center for the Kajang MRT line. Over there, that's the control center for the Putrajaya line, and that empty space at the end, that's going to be the control center for the upcoming Circle Line.
The Operations Control Room, or OCC, at Sungai Buloh Depot is the brains of the operations of the MRT system. The movement of the driverless MRT trains are controlled and monitored from here. The huge displays is designed to enable the MRT system to operate smoothly, efficiently and safely. In this single central space, network operations and services are monitored, evaluated, recorded, analyzed and influenced. Staff dedicated to certain vital tasks are positioned close to each other to enable responsive face-to-face decision-making. The train depot is where trains are stable, maintained and is the backbone of the network. They are essential facilities for train operations. Train depots come with the administration building, where the OCC is located, train stabling areas, permanent way workshop, train wash, paint shop, test track, and this, the train maintenance workshop.
This is an angle I normally don't get of an MRT train. This is what it looks from underneath.
A big thank you to Prasarana and RapidKL for inviting me to visit these facilities. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you at our next video.